Alright guys, so welcome on board to this video for today. So today I want to share with you guys a simple way that you can use to make at least $10 per day, or about, let's say, $100 every single week. Yes, this is just one method that you can actually use, and this is what I've been doing over and over and over again for years. So if you want to make money right now during the lockdown and you want to stay, you want to get something to spend, then you want to listen carefully to what I'm going to share with you, how to make at least let's say $10 every single day, or $100 every single week. So what I'm going to share with you is very simple. It's just on WarriorPlus. If you go to WarriorPlus, that's WarriorPlus.com. It's a website where you can actually go, you can sell and then sell digital products, and you can also promote other people's products and you earn commissions. Yes, that's just how it works. So I want to log into my account right now. This is WarriorPlus.com, as I've said earlier on. So WarriorPlus is a platform where you can sell products, any kind of products. Digital products could be a software, it could be an app, it could be an ebook, it could be a course, it could be in value. So you can actually go to WarriorPlus and then you list your product for sale, and you can sell 100%, and then you get everything inside your PayPal account, or inside your PayPal account as a seller. So the other way is you can make money as an affiliate. So this is it, as an affiliate, where you promote other people's product. That means you earn commission. It depends on how much the vendor, the owner of the product, wants to pay you as an affiliate for promoting his products. So now let me just show you basically, I'm not going to go deep on how you can start doing all these things. I'm just showing you that there's a potential when you move into this platform. You register on WarriorPlus.com, and then you learn how to sell your products here, and also how to promote other people's products right on this platform. So this is my current stats right now. So as you can see, in the last 30 days, this is $269, and in the last 7 days, this is $72, and yesterday this is $19.58, and today is still blank, empty. As you can see, today this is 0506, 17 visitors, no sales, blank. And you can see here, yesterday 103, 6 sales. Some are free products, and some are, I think I got about just two paid product sales. I think the rest are free products. So you can see $18 made. So that's how it works. So you can see, at least we can say an average of $10 every single day. At least an average of $10 every single day. So that's how it works. So you make sure, one thing you can do is head over to WarriorPlus. You sell products right there. Let me show you. Let me click on this notification here. So you can come here, come to WarriorPlus, and then you can sell products. It's very simple, very easy to sell. It's free. It's free on the platform. You can come here and then list products for free. And then while you get your payment straight to your PayPal account, and then if it's affiliate promotions, your commission, your earnings, your commission earnings will be paid inside your wallet. It's like inside this, you have a kind of like a bank account inside this WarriorPlus website. So you have a wallet. You have your money saved inside your wallet inside WarriorPlus platform. So it's very simple to make at least $10 every single day. And the thing I need to mention is this. Let me show you. If I leave here, you can see this is a free product I gave out, and people are actually downloading it for free. This is $9 2020 profit bundle. This is another one, commission. This is a free product, $9 free product. Free product, $17 commission. $17, $17, $17, $17, 1700, 17. You can see like that. So that's how you can go ahead and then you make money on WarriorPlus. So it's a good platform where you can make money as a vendor, where you list your product for sale, or you earn commissions. You make money as an affiliate, where you earn commission promoting other people's products. So I want to show you the launch calendar. So basically, to meet that target of at least $10 every single day, you can't just go and list a product and then you expect sales to come just like that, even though there is a free traffic on this platform. But if you want to meet that target of at least $10 every day, or $100 every single week, what you need to do is to make sure you are listing products every single week. Yes, every single week maybe from Monday to Sunday, you have a product listed right here. So if you have 1 product, 2, 3, 4 products, you have 4 products in a month, then you can be sure of meeting that target of $10 every single day, or $100 every single week. So that's just one thing I've been doing over and over and over again, and it's been working perfectly for me. So you can also use this method. Look for products that you can sell right here, or go to YouTube, learn courses on how to make money, and then look for the ones that people actually testifying that yes, it's working. Then you can make a video course on that, just about 5-10 videos, and then come here and sell maybe for $10 or $12 or $17, and then you repeat the same process every single week. Now the thing is, it's not going to be free money or cheap thing. You have to actually work for it to make sure you meet that target and you get money inside your account. If you don't put efforts in doing this, if you don't work, to get it done, then you will not see anything inside your PayPal account. So that's all about that. You can make money here selling your own products or promoting other people's products as an affiliate. So if you want to hear from me, if you have any question, just drop in the comment section, or ask your questions. Or if you are not yet my subscribers, please click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and then if you like the video, kindly like the video. But most importantly, make sure you can ask your question. Feel free to ask your questions, anything about what I've just shared with you, and I'll be so glad and happy to reply you. So thank you very much for watching. See you and bye bye.